you guys, I wanted to share this with you guys really quickly. I had won these items a long time ago on Instagram, and I had put them away, and I recently found them, and I just want to show you guys how pretty they are, because this is a keychain, and they're made with nail polish. And isn't this so pretty? This one's purple with like some stars, I believe, that are like stamped or something. I'm not sure because it was so long ago I won this, but I'm glad I came across them and put this on my car keys. These are magnets, and you can see that this one is like a holographic, like glitter one. I think it has some flakies in it, some green flakies. And this is the back, the magnet. I'm scared to put them on my fridge because I don't want my kids to knock them off. This is a really pretty green. And then this one has a design on it. And I believe all three of these are made with nail polish in them. And I just thought they were so cool that I had put them up. Came in this, and I kept them in here all this time. It's been like a couple years or something. But this is the card that was in it. It was I won it from the hollow pineapple. I'm gonna see if she's still on Instagram and if she still makes these. So if so, I'll let you guys know. Aren't these so cool? They're really pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on my keychain. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm pretty sure I might have shared this when I won it. I don't even know if I was doing YouTube at the time or not. I can't remember, but I had them in here for the longest and forgot until I just put something in there, and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot about these. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. All right.